How much can you really find about someone from what they post online? The answer lies in connecting dots they didn't realize they made public. This is open source intelligence, or OSINT. A quick critical disclaimer before we start. This video is for educational purposes and learning self-protection only. I strongly discourage using these methods for any unethical or illegal activities. Respect privacy and law. Now let's talk about dots. If someone hides their friend list, maybe their public photos reveal who likes their posts. That's a dot. A full name in a comment section is another dot. OSINT is the art of connection these public dots to see the bigger picture. The classic way to connect dots, Google Dorking. This uses special search operators to find hidden information, like in the screen. Imagine you have a name, you can search for every public PDF, resume, forum post containing that exact name. Combine it with a school or workplace, and you can uncover a digital footprint they may have forgotten about. And if you have a photo, reverse image search is your best friend. While Google Images is good, it's not good at Yandex images. This Russian search engine often has a different index and can find matches, especially in certain regions, that others completely miss. It's a classic tool that remains incredibly powerful. But the game has changed. Modern tools use AI for smart pattern matching on a global scale. For faces, tools like PimEyes, FaceCheck.id, and Lenso.ai don't just find the same photo, they find the same face. They can scan the public web, news sites, blogs, forums. This shift from searching for images to recognizing identities is a major leap. The most revolutionary leap, however, is with locations. Meet GeoSpy.ai. Forget needing a lens. GeoSpy.ai analyzes the visual DNA of any photo, the shape of windows, type of plants, style of roads, and it matched against a model of the world. It can estimate the country or city from a random backyard photo. This isn't searching the web, it is AI deduction location from pixels alone. AI gives us leads, but classic tools help us to verify. If a photo still has its EXIF data, you might get exact GPS coordinations. Google Earth Pro lets you explore the locations in 3D and view historical imagery. If the data is stripped, you become a digital sundial. A tool like SunCalc lets you analyze the length and angle of shadow in a photo. By figuring out the time and the date this was taken, you can cross-reference with other clues. This is meticulous analytical side of OSINT. So the modern OSINT workflow looks like this. Use manual search to find the initial dots. Employ AI like PimEyes and GeoSpy to make huge leaps in identifying people and places, and then use analytical tools to verify your finding. This power is dual use. It can find the missing and uncovered truth, or it can be used to invade privacy. The technology is neutral, but our intent is not. The best defense is understanding what is possible. We cover tools you can use right in your browser. If you want to go deeper, there is a whole world of powerful Linux-based tools that can automate and superchange these searches. If that sounds interesting to you, let me know in the comments below. This is a small channel and I read every single comment, so tell me, what do you think about this new age of digital investigations? Are you concerned or intrigued? Let's talk.